So here we have this Bluetooth headset. It is from Thomson. The model is WHP-6005BT. Okay, it looks like this, and it is foldable. From a large size you can make it a smaller one. It is usable for phones, and the battery should last around 7 hours. It is for Bluetooth version 3, and the length is adjustable. The length from here you can expand it. Okay, that's the box itself. Here we have the same data. That's in Romanian. Căști fără fir pentru a asculta muzica și a efectua apeluri telefonice prin Bluetooth. That's in Romanian. Okay, that's the English. Bluetooth headset VHP. So we should have a headset. We should have a micro USB to USB charging cable for the internal battery and instructions. That one's missing from mine. Okay, so let's just open it. Nothing more. We have the headset. We have the charging cable, which is micro USB and USB. Okay, and the headset itself. We have buttons here on the side. That's the right side, that's the left side. It uses a foam. That should be the microphone, and it's foldable like so. And adjustable. It's pretty stiff. So there's a small sound when you press it and hold it. And press it again and hold it. And it turns off. Okay, we have the micro USB plug here on this side. There's nothing on the other one. The cable is pretty soft. Okay, we have a plus and a minus also. The cable is visible here. So let's plug it in, and we have a white light while it's charging. It's pretty bright. Nothing on the other side. We need to pair the headphones to the smartphone, and to do that we have to power it on first. Now let's talk about that button. This button has to be long pressed, and after long pressing it, this button has 3 stages. At the first stage it powers on, at the second stage it is in pairing mode, and in the third stage it will power off. We have to hold it around 6 seconds until white LEDs will be shown also, because at powering on it will show only blue LEDs. So press and hold the button. Blue LEDs, that's the first stage. Press it and hold it, and white LED, and then release it. Okay, now it's blinking blue and white. Blue, white. Swipe down and start Bluetooth. Check it. Bluetooth was started. Now press and hold that button to show the list. Okay, and tap on that search button. Those are other devices, and here we have 6005BT. Tap on it, and now it's pairing it. The LED is now blinking blue only, it's not blue and white. Okay, and it says connected to call and media audio. You can select which one you want to use. I use both of them. Okay, and if you turn off the Bluetooth, then obviously it will not be connected and it will not work. It will use the speakers of the phone instead. So let's just go to File Manager, and here we have some songs, and play it. Okay, and after that, as the song is being played, okay, and you can use the plus and minus keys to increase or decrease the volume. That's the maximum value. It is even blinking, so that will show you that it's at the maximum value. Okay, and you can control the sound from here. So I just attached the headphone to the camera, and meanwhile I'm changing the song. Now that's another song. Go forward. Okay, so there are no wires connected. Okay, now let's talk about another thing. If you disable Bluetooth, then it is blinking faster, so it's not connected anymore. Okay, and if you enable it, you have to go back to Bluetooth, and here's the headset itself, and you have to connect it again. So better leave the Bluetooth enabled, and now it's not blinking fast, it's blinking slow. Let's go back to the music. And now the music is playing from the headset again. Okay, now the music is playing here on the headset, and if I power off the headset, then the sound should go here to the phone. So after the headset was closed, the music stops. Now Bluetooth is still enabled, and if I power it on, then the sound should go here. And it stopped on the phone, and instead it is playing here on the headset. So better leave the Bluetooth enabled on the phone and just power off the headset. Press and hold to power it off. Let's try to pair it with Windows 7. Press and hold the power button. Blue, hold it, blue and white. Okay, now insert a Bluetooth adapter into a USB port. It is blinking. Installing driver, Bluetooth device ready. So it was installed. We have a Bluetooth icon here. Double click on that one. Okay, get it from the internet. So let's add the device. And voila, it's there. That's a TV. So these are the headphones. Next, connecting to device. So I haven't installed any drivers manually. Installing. Driver was not successfully installed. Let's go here to change settings. Download drivers. Yes, do it automatically. Save. Nice, searching for more drivers. Let's just close this one. It has an exclamation mark. Double click. This shows some properties. Now the exclamation mark disappeared. Let's go to the internet. Click on any of these clips. And now the sound is not coming from here. Press and hold blue LED. Hold it. Blue and white. Playback devices. So let's just enable some of these. Connect. Yes, we have another one. So the music is playing here. Okay, so this one is of much lower quality, hands-free audio, and it's mono. So use the second one set as default device. This sounds much better.